Hello everyone, I am Professor Pallavi Devkate. Welcomes you in next lecture of Econ 242. Course title is Agricultural Finance and Cooperation. In previous lecture, we are learned about credit analysis, in which we studied about 3 R's of credit, 5 C's of credit, and 7 P's of credit analysis. Okay, in today's lecture, we are going to learn about methods and mechanics of processing of loan application. That means whatever the procedural formalities in sanctioning of farm loan that can be covered under this topic. Okay, so first of all, steps in loan application. So whatever the loan application, that loan application can be completed within 10 steps. So these 10 steps are: first one, interview with farmer; second one is submission of loan application by the farmer; scrutiny of record; visit to farmer's field before the sanction of loan; then criteria for loan eligibility; then sanction of loan; submission of prerequisite documents; disbursement of loan; then post credit follow-up measure; and last one is recovery of loan. Okay, so these are the 5 steps in loan application. We see one by one these different steps. So first step, that is interview with farmer. Okay, so the banker has good scope to assess the credit characteristics of farmer borrower, like honesty, integrity, frankness, progressive thinking, indebtedness, repayment capacity, etc. of farmer borrower while interview. That means while interview with farmer, the bankers assess the different characteristics of farmer borrower. Okay. Also during the interview, the banker explain the terms and condition under which loan is going to be sanctioned. That means whatever the terms and conditions which are completed by that particular farmer, that also explained by the bankers. The interview also help the banker to understand the genuine credit need of the farmer. That means for which purpose or for which need the farmer want to take the loan, that can be understand by this interview. Therefore, this interview is the most important while credit sanction or loan application. Okay, after that, second phase or second step is submission of loan application by the farmer. That means after the fulfillment of all the interview with farmer, the banker gives loan application to the farmer borrower after getting satisfied with credential. Okay, the farmer has to fill the details like location of farm, purpose of loan, cost of scheme, then credit requirement, farm budget, financial statement, etc. Also, along with that, the farmer need to submit farm map, no objection certificate from cooperatives, then certificate of sub-registrar of land assurance, then affidavit from borrower, and also the some passport size photographs are required for loan application. Okay, so this is the second step, that is submission of loan application by the farmer. Whatever the application form which is given by the banker, the farmer must to submit this application within given format to the bank. Okay, then third one, that is scrutiny of record. After submission of loan application form, the relevant certificates indicating ownership of land, extent of land are to be verified by the bank official with the village karna or village revenue official. Okay, that means whatever the documents which are submitted, the banking officials take the verification of that bank records. Okay, after that, fourth stage, that is visit to farmers field before the sanction of loan. So before the sanction of any loan, the field officer of the bank pays visit to the farm to verify the particulars given by that particular farmer. Okay, the pre-sanction visit is expected to help the banker to identify the farmer, guarantor, then locate the boundaries of land as per the map, and also assess the managerial capacity of that particular farmer borrower. Okay, for that purpose there is pre-sanction loan visit or farm visit is there. Then details all economics of crop, livestock enterprises, economic feasibility of proposed project, farmers loan position with non-institutional sources are ascertained in pre-sanction visit. Okay, so this is the pre-sanction visit of farmers field. Then fifth one, that is criteria for loan eligibility. The following aspects are considered while judging the eligibility of farmer borrower while receiving loan. In that first one, he should have sound characteristic or financial integrity. Then his financial transaction with friends, neighbors and financial institution. Then he must have progressive outlook or receptive to adopt the modern technology. He should have firm commitment to implement the proposed loan, and the security provided by the farmer towards the loan must be free from any sort of encroachment or litigation. Okay, so this eligibility criteria can be verified by the bank. After that, next one, sanction of loan. That means after examining all the aspects presented in pre-sanction farm inspection report, branch manager take the decision whether to sanction the loan or not. Okay, the before sanctioning of loan, the branch manager consider the technical feasibility, economic feasibility, then bankability of proposed project including repayment capacity, risk bearing ability, then security offered by the farmer borrower. Okay, if the loan amount is beyond the sanction of that particular bank branch manager, it is forwarded to regional manager or head office of the bank. Okay, then this is the sixth step, that is sanctioning of loan. That means after all the formalities, completion of all the formalities, bank sanction take the decision to sanction or not the loan to the farmer. Okay, after that, seventh one, submission of requisite documents. After sanctioning of stipulated amount to the farmer borrower, the following documents are need to be submitted by the farmer borrower. In that first one, demand promissory note, then deed of hypothecation, then guarantee letter, installment letter, authorization letter, etc. Okay, the title deeds are to be examined by the bank legal officer. The simple mortgage is followed in case of ancestral properties, and equitable mortgage in respect of self-acquired property. Okay, so these different documents are need to be submitted by the farmer borrower in this stage. After that, next stage, that is disbursement of loan. The immediately after submission of requisite documents, the loan amount is credited to borrower's account. The sanctioned loan amount is disbursed in phased manner after ensuring that the loan is properly used by the farmer borrower. Okay, based on the flow of income, the proposed project and realistic payment plan is prepared and given to the farmer. That means after completion or submission of requisite documents, the loan amount is credited to the farmer borrowers according to his requirement. This loan amount is distributed among different stage or phase. Okay, this is the next step, that is disbursement of loan. Then after that, ninth step, that is post credit follow-up measure. To ascertain the proper use of sanctioned loan, the bank manager or field officer place visit to the farmer's field. That means whatever the loan which is used for proper purpose or not, to check that the bank manager or field officer make the visit, that is post follow-up measure. Then apart from this, the farmer can get technical advice if any needed from the field officer for implementation of proposed project. Then these visits are helpful for developing the close rapport between the farmers and the banker, and the visits are more informal than the formal. These visits also help in assessing any further requirement for supplementary credit to complete the scheme. Okay, this is the post credit follow up measure. Okay, after that, last step, that is recovery of loan. Well in advance, the bank remind the farmer borrower about due date of loan repayment. Okay, the some appropriate measures like organizing a recovery camp, special drivers, then village meeting, etc. are to be organized by the bank to recover the loan amount in a time. In case of any default, the reasons are to be ascertained as whether he is willful default or not. If he is found to be, he is not found non-willful default, he is helped further by extending the fresh financial assistance for increasing the farm production. Okay, so this is the last step, that is a recovery of loan. So in this recovery of loan, some possible cases, bank may some tied up arrangement, that is recovery of loan is linked with marketing in respect of justifiable cases, rephasing and repayment of loan is allowed. Okay, this is the 10 steps in loan application or loan proposal. That is, first one, interview with farmer, then second one is submission of loan application by the farmer, then scrutiny of record, visit to farmer's field before the sanction of loan, then criteria for loan eligibility, sanction of loan, submission of requisite documents, then disbursement of loan, post credit follow up measure, and last one is recovery of loan. Okay, so question may be asked on this topic, like explain different steps in loan application, or write the procedure or methods of loan application. Okay, thank you all.